Hi, I'm Denise Landis, and I am going to show you how to make a super fast, super easy sauce that you can use in all kinds of things. First, I'm going to put some olive oil into our pan, just a nice splash of that, and I'm going to add onion, some garlic, I like a lot of garlic, and some chopped red bell pepper. The peppers, onion, and garlic are all tender, and now I'm going to add a can of ground tomatoes. I'm going to season with some salt, a healthy pinch of salt, and some grinds of black pepper. And I'm going to add some fresh basil. You can see that I'm not measuring things out, I'm just sort of doing it to taste. And a pinch of dry oregano. My mixture is very thick, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water to thin it because I want to simmer it for about 10 or 20 minutes so all of the flavors can meld. I'm going to puree the mixture using my immersion blender, and then it's ready to be used hot. It can be refrigerated for a few days, or it can be frozen for a few months. Fantastic. Thanks for joining me. I'm Denise Landis, your 1 Minute Maven. For more great tips, look for us on YouTube.